A Building Product Hardware Guide. Chapter 1. Handyman Products. Hardware Superstores / Building Products for Sale 1. acehardware.com, build.com, coastaltool.com, cornerhardware.com, deutbest.com, granger.com, hardware.com, homedepot.com, home-express.com, lowes.com, osh.com, ourhouse.com, partsplus.com, sears.com, truevalue.com, truesurvey.com. Hardware Superstores / Building Products for Sale 2. acehardware.com. 800-223-8663. buyitnow.com. 888-55-BUYIT. homebase.com. 888-731-BASE. lowes.com. 800-44-LOWES. kmart.com. 800-866-0086. painpack.com. 800-796-8871. Sears Home Direct. 800-684-5943. 800-4MyHome. 800-684-5301. Sears.com/parts direct. Sears.com/craftsman. Sales and appliance repair. Target.com. 800-800-8800. Hardware product websites. ahma.org, Hardware Manufacturers Association. acehardware.com. ballandball-us.com. bntt.com. coastaltool.com. deabath.com. deutbest.com. device.com. gilroys.com. granger.com. hometime.com. horton-brasses.com. hocmart.com. improvementscatalog.com. kennedyhardware.com. mcmaster.com. netsalesreps.com. 888-376-4696. nottingill-usa.com. ourhouse.com. painpack.com. rockelr.com. schlegellock.com. sdp-si.com. sears.com. shopping.com/tools and hardware. superbuild.com. truevalue.com. Hardware products for sale. addiksun.com. 800-821-2750. Antique Hardware. Easton RD. Kintnersville, Pennsylvania 18930. 800-422-9982. antiquehardware.com. arrow.com. 800-227-2901. bedraizer.com. 800-321-9447. Bed Products. Blaine Hardware International. 17319 Blaine Drive, Hagerstown, Maryland 21740. 800-678-1919. BlaineWindow.com. Bokers Washers and Spacers. 800 Washers. Bokers.com. BRASSWORKS-SBH.com. 800-842-4640. Constantine. 2050 East Chester Road, Bronx, New York 10461. 800-223-8087. Constantines.com. Hardware, bath, and more. 800-760-3278. h-b-m.com. Hardware Plus. 701 East Kingsley Road, Garland, Texas 75041. 800-522-7336. 888 Old Time. Ultime.com. Iron Shop. 400 Reed Road, Brummel, Pennsylvania 19008. 800-523-7427. TheronShop.com. Spiral stairs, etc. Materials Unlimited. 800-299-9462. mat-unl.com. Salvage Things. Meisel Hardware Specialties. epub 70. Mound, Minnesota 55364. 800-441-9870. MayselWoodHobby.com. Many Project Kits. Paxton Hardware. Upper Falls, Maryland 21156. 800-241-9741. PaxtonHardware.com. Antique Hardware. Piping.copper.org. 800-741-6823. Restoration Hardware. 438 2nd St. Eureka, California 95501. 800-979-8964. RestorationHardware.com. SocietyBrass.com. 800-722-5153. Stanley Hardware. 600 Myrtle St. New Britain, Connecticut 06050. 800-835-2453. 800 Stanley. StanleyWorks.com. Wade, Garrett Co. 161 6th Avenue. NYC 10013. 800-221-2942. GarrettWade.com. Brass Hardware. Wilmer. 303 Harper Drive. Moorestown, New Jersey 08057. 800-345-3000. Wilmer.com.